So let's get the service manager involved again. EMDECS follows the everyday processes in your workshop. The service manager wants to review repair orders marked Unit Ready by the technicians. The Complete RO screen in EMDECS shows repair orders submitted from the service area. They're easy to review, edit, send back to the technician, or invoice. You can even set up approval screens if a fleet manager has to submit estimates and repair orders for before repair work can begin. The important thing is that the system follows real-world process flows. It does this while allowing your workshop to be completely paperless if you want. Now the review process can be as open or as locked down as you want. For example, make the 3 C's mandatory, if that's what your business needs. When it comes to the efficiency of your business, EMDECS has all the answers. Visit us today at emdecs.com.